Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog here on my channel. Today is gonna be about the M3, and I'm really sorry that I didn't have the proper time to introduce the car to you, and I wanted to take the opportunity to talk to you up front about what's going on today. I'm happy to announce that besides the mods already done, which means KW adjustable springs. Why adjustable springs only? Why not the coilovers? Because the car is X-Drive, it's actually brand new, and as far as I know, the guys didn't yet develop a system for the X-Drive models, so I will have to wait a little bit, I think a month. They told me mid-May to get the coils mounted, to get them done, and it's going to happen in Germany in their premises in the headquarters of KW, and we're gonna drive there. They're gonna mount the system on the car, and I will vlog about it, so you can stay tuned with this modification as well. I will explain what it's all about and how it works, maybe also film how they install it, so you have a basic idea what it means to change a suspension on a M3. For now, we're gonna change the exhaust. It's my favorite mod besides wheels, and yeah, when we talk about wheels, I also change the wheels on the car. That means Z Performance wheels, 20-inch front rear. Why? Because I want to go really low. Right now with the adjustable springs, the car sits a little bit weird. That means too high in the front and a little bit too low in the rear, but this is going to change anyway when I will just mount the coils. What else is going to happen today? Liv is going to pick up the car in order to mount some carbon fiber parts on it and to put a wrap on it. In case you have an idea what wrap is going to be installed on the car, just let me know in the comments, but you will see it anyway in a few days. It's gonna take, I think, a week that the car is gonna be at his body shop, and it's gonna come back totally different, modified again, some additional parts, but not all of them, because I'm waiting for a few of them, because they come all from different producers, manufacturers. Some of them have parts in stock already delivered, the others not. That means they need to be produced or developed, because I was searching basically for the most beautiful or the best looking parts on the market that I like, and when I do this, I do my research and just pick up or pick out those that I love the most, and some of them are not yet available. That means it's gonna take a while until the car is really done, so finished, like as a whole, like all parts, exhaust, EQ tune, wheels, suspension. So you see, when you modify a car, it's not always that easy, because sometimes they are too new that some manufacturers didn't develop parts for them, like KW in this case, or all the others, you know. So sometimes you need to wait, to be patient, and yeah, enjoy the process. This is also good or interesting thing about modifying a car, that most people just do their stuff, do their modifications on them, and simply sell them after, because when you finish, when you're done with a project, you get kind of bored, and you should just enjoy the process. And not only with modifying cars, the same with basically everything you do in life. And this is one of the things that I basically regret on the last years of my life, that I spent working and doing my thing, focusing on work and not enjoying what's happening around enough. I mean, I did, but not enough. And sometimes you, I don't know, do things and forget to live and enjoy the moment, just live in the moment. Sometimes you are living in the past, like having a bad experience and being afraid of doing things because you have a bad experience, and You believe it happens again, or sometimes you live just in your future and just are looking forward to some things that come instead of living just in the moment, enjoying exactly what's happening right now. So this is what I learned. This is a mistake I did in my life, and I want you maybe to learn from it, and that's why I'm telling you now, just enjoy the process, enjoy the things that happen around you, and be happy. Just be happy and grateful with what you have. Even if you think, yeah, it's easy for you to say because you have these cars, you have so many things, it's not true, because I could also tell or say about wealthier people that it's easy for them. So basically it's not easy for anyone, it's not easy for me, and it's not easy for you, and it's maybe not easy for them, but this is what we don't show. And it's not important, you know, just do your thing at your level, don't compare yourself to anyone, just compare yourself with you 1 year ago, 2 years ago, or focus on the things that you want to achieve for yourself, you know. So, well, enough of this. We just arrived at TSER. I will just make now a before video, so I have a comparison how it sounds stock and with the exhaust. Nice. Okay, there we go.
Gözü görmüyor hep pus. Takipteler ses etme sus. Bir vakit donmuştu beynim. Düzlükteyken bitmiş seyrim. Gözü görmüyor hep pus. Takipteler ses etme sus. Durma git enerjini kus. Zaten çok soğuk etraf buz. Hiç yalan der misin? Pek dert dinler misin? Ya bayat yer misin? İnsan seçer misin? Dikkatli izlersen anlarsın haklı Megatron. Bendekili Kevlar metre sende.
Yeah, okay, that's actually the remote control for the valves. It looks very spacey, like an alien spaceship remote. Awesome. That's where actually FI did a really great job on the design. Respect. It looks fantastic, although I'm not gonna need it because the guys made it that way that you basically change the valves or open and close the valves when you switch into Sport or Sport Plus. It's better than having a remote, another remote, because if you have a remote for the garage, for example, and a remote for whatever, another remote for the exhaust system is gonna be like really tricky to store all of them, and I don't like too many things in my car, so I prefer the OE version. But it looks really good, fantastic. So thank you very much FI Exhaust at this point for the system. I'm really excited to see it mounted, so let's get started. Okay guys, here I'm back. We installed the catback exhaust. So now let's have a sound check after the installment. First valves closed, second one valves open. So let's go. Nice. Let's go with open valves. Wow, that sounds amazing. We have still the cats, we have still the OPF, and it's still pops a little bit, it bangs a little bit. The sound is more aggressive. It's getting better. We are getting there. I mean, it's not that what we are used to on my cars, but once we get the problem fixed with software, the car is gonna sound like a crazy pop, bang, like maybe Spitfire, and all the things you're used to. Well guys, just let me know your opinions. Bear in mind it's a cat back exhaust. We didn't delete OPF and cats. That means basically 60% of the sound killer, or maybe more, it's still mounted. It sounds good, a little bit better. Also, while driving, you feel a little bit of a difference, and I really like it. It's deep, it's not droning. Some of the aftermarket exhausts have this drone, like when you drive all the time, you have a certain vibration in the car, which can be good, but not in the long term, because it's disturbing. And you know, if you drive it as a daily, you don't want to have this noise all the time. Like when you close the valves, you want to have it quiet. Maybe sometime when you drive 1,000 kilometers, or I don't know, whatever it is, you want to talk on the phone or have it like want to have it quiet. You can have it quiet, and that means you close the valves and it sounds decent. And yeah, well, that's it for today. I'm trying to keep up with the vlogs to post on a regular basis more on YouTube, because I know you guys want it, and I thank you for the messages and for the comments that I should post more. I will. Thank you also for just sticking around and being a part of this community. I really appreciate it. I wish you guys a nice day. Enjoy yourself, and I don't know when I will post a video, but we have here Friday, so I wish you a nice weekend. Take care of yourself, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.